Hello children, welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art. The topic of today is drawing. What is drawing? Drawing is a form of visual art. It is the art of making pictures of living and non-living things on drawing paper, cardboards, etc. using appropriate materials. Materials used for drawing are pencil, ink, eraser, etc. There are different types of drawing. Different types of drawing. Number 1, live drawing. Number 2, still life drawing. Number 3, landscape drawing. Number 4, drawing. And number 5, imaginative drawing. Imaginative drawing. Still life drawing is also includes painting to create meaning or a visual effect. Live drawing is the drawing of human beings and other living things. Landscape drawing is the drawing of the natural features of our environment. For example, the tree, the grass, and the tree, even the sun. Chairs and tables are good examples of still life drawing because they are non-living things. Meaning of still life drawing. Still life drawing is the drawing of man-made objects. Objects of still life drawing are cup, pencil, ball, shoes, and so on. Now, natural drawing. Natural drawing is drawing in our environment that are not man-made objects. Natural objects include both living and non-living things. They are the drawing of animals, flowers, rock, trees, and streams. Then, imaginative drawing. Imaginative drawings is a drawing from the memory or imagination. It is called creative drawing. Some of these drawings are from the past and read why some are imagination. For example, two rams fighting, a man with one eye. Now, let us look at the meaning of landscape environment, art or drawing. Landscape drawing is a drawing from part of our environment. It is also called scenery. For example, school environment, market area, national park, etc. The drawing is a drawing of our environment in view. So children, I hope you have learned one thing or the other. See you in the next class.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.